Hi. Okay, so I want to do a quick video to show parts of how to make a bag. And what I've done is I've taken first of all, a showcase brochure page, because I don't have any product lists handy right now that I want to fold. So I've taken a showcase brochure, folded it in half. I fold it in half again like this, and I score about 1/3 of the way up and bring this down. And the reason I do that is it'll help with the folding at the end. And I bring this forward, open the tube, pull this down so that each of the inner corners line up with the inner fold, and then I tape. Hoping this tape's going to work easy. So just take a piece of tape, and I tape this down to the table at first, just because it's easier to make sure that I'm getting everything lined up properly. I already have a small piece in the middle, so I'm not going to worry about taping that piece up. Oh. I like using this packing tape because it's easy to peel and restick. So then I got one more piece there. I also like using this heavier, thick tape on this fold here, because I have seen where this one will split. So then you pick it up, fold the tape underneath on either end. I don't put very much tape on this bottom one because it's going to get a lot of tape. Fold it down, press the corners down, flat. Then I fold it towards me like this, and I go up about 3 inches. And I take my little ruler and measure this out. That's only 2 inches. So I'll go up another little bunch here. I don't know, 2 inches was about, because otherwise the bag's going to get too small. So 2 inches. And then just take the ruler and flatten your edges out a little bit. And then this is the easy. Everybody gets confused, but it's easy. You just take this open, fold it, see how it's got a little tube there. Fold that, fold it down, fold it down. So now you have this shape. Okay, so you've got 2 diamond points on either end, or half triangles, I should say, or not half triangles, but triangles, yeah. Then take this bottom, fold it in towards the middle, lay it flat. Pull the top down, barely get it over the edge of the top piece, because you want just a little stability there. Take your ruler, score your paper, take your tape, run a nice thick piece of tape there, covering each of these points here with the tape, because it's going to get folded again. So see, then you've got this nice flat bottom. And then just to make it easier, I just fold this down. Then you're going to take this edge and you're going to grab this point, and you're actually going to fold it into that little diamond point that you've made down here. So I just fold that line up just like that, lay it flat, try to get it to be the same width at the bottom as the top. Do the same on this side. Score it real good. Take it, flop it over. Do it on that side. So then if you can look, it's got the nice edges there. And if you can see what I'm doing here, you just fold this in so that this edge here lines up with this line here. So then when you put your hand inside and you're careful, you just make the ends flat on both sides, and then you can just score this a little bit with your fingers, fold it, press it, and then you got a bag. Usually they stand up on their own, see, like that. You can make different sizes. I have one with no edges creased on that side just because it's easier to get larger items in there, like say a couple of bars. They'll fit down in the bottom, and then you just fold it down, put a couple holes in it, put some ribbon in it, and you got a bag. This size here is made out of the harvest brochure from last year, but this is the same size that our new scent and warmer of the month flyers are. So this would make a really nice small bag that you could put a lot of samples in and pass out on events. This is another small bag. And then I did a large bag because I had some people that I wanted to give some kind of cutesy little gifts to. So I folded, well actually I taped 2 product sheets together, and I did all of that process from before. Hopefully I can get this open without wrecking it. And I did this last year, so it's been sitting for a while. So, and I have a nice large bag that you could actually get a warmer in there, a mini warmer, or buddy clips, you know, whatever. Then I put the 2 holes up at the top, put some ribbon in there, and make it a cutesy little bag. Anybody got any questions? You can please message me and let me know. Thanks.